Ask a programmer to review 10 lines of code. He'll find 10 issues. Ask him to do 500 lines and he'll say it looks good. When you submit your code and see it 10 minutes later on r/bad code. When someone asks you what programming language they should learn, don't simply answer the one you prefer. First ask them what area they plan to focus on. For example, web frontend, JavaScript, backend, JavaScript, mobile apps, JavaScript, games, JavaScript, AI, JavaScript. I appreciate the honesty. Pick a password, don't reuse your bank password. We didn't spend a lot on security for this app. 1 2 3 4 5 6 here we go. Excel user. How do you do, fellow programmers? Getting ideas to solve a bug, while coding, while eating, while relaxing, while in bathroom, while trying to sleep at 3 a.m. What's way more sadistic than it seems? Making someone else debug your code.
That's the evilest thing I can imagine!
It's just a simple for loop. Please let me out. Front-end dev, back-end dev, JSON, full-stack developer. Corporate needs you to find the differences between this picture and this picture. Deep neural network. They're the same picture. What motivated you to study computer science? Money. Hey look, I reviewed your code and deleted a few useless functions. Nice. Is it working? No, I don't know why. Good. Now please remove all your modifications and never touch my code again.
That's a lot of damage!
Learn programming to make video games. Find out the video game industry is apparently terrible to work in. You now have a love for programming in general. Stack Overflow is currently offline for maintenance. Time to look for a new job. Border, border co, border color, border collapse. 3 words better than I love you are. Code compiled successfully. People learning JavaScript. I'll use array sort to sort this list of numbers. JavaScript. Offend a programmer with a single tweet. Stack Overflow has a homepage you've never seen. Me developing a new programming language. The language I coded it on. Dear web developers, the answer is 0, 0. Get it through your thick skulls. 0 is the number of times anyone has ever wanted something to autoplay on your site and start making noise. I'd honestly rather you mine cryptocurrency in my browser than use my speakers. You know CSS. Can you ever really know CSS? The best way to learn a language is to speak with the natives. The guy learning C.
Yeah, this is big brain time.
For Windows problems, reboot. For Linux problems, beroot. For Mac problems, hate-a-fix. 98% of the programmers that graduated. The 2% that actually knows what they're doing and helps on Stack Overflow. Me doing fixes in production. POV. You opened Android Studio. Bug. Feature.
Modern problems require modern solutions.
What's 5 plus 2? 5 2. You used a string when you should have used an integer. Virginity is cool. Remain pure. Me changed one line in the code. My compiler. First year CS students printing hello world. Lab tutors who know the industry will swallow them alive. Debugging. Being detective in a crime movie where you are also the murderer, while you're also the victim. How old were you when you realized it's called firmware because it's halfway between hardware and software? Client, your app is broken. Devs, what do the logs say? Me writing great code. Stack Overflow. Never spend 6 minutes doing something by hand when you can spend 6 hours failing to automate it. Wise words. Say my name. Bash. I meant, say $ my name.
You're goddamn right.
Client, balance these 6 nails without letting them touch the wood. Senior architect. Developer. MT programming experience. the experience job recruiters want. The salary they give. Me getting to chinkle lead at my company. Because everyone else quit. Plot twist, you founded the company. Being added to the contributors. Me who fixed a typo in the README. As a programmer, why are you single? Because I thought declaring a variable in her name was more romantic than taking her on an actual dinner on Valentine's. Oh, how cute. Programmer 1, I am researching how to use C programming for AI and data science. Programmer 2, I am attempting to write real-time OS in Python. Clown-to-clown communication. I'm torn, because I know I'm supposed to get the second vaccine shot, but I'm also supposed to avoid SQL injection. Programmer. A person who is paid to professionally scream at a computer. Me after fixing a bug in my code. It'll still probably be wrong, but it'll be differently wrong. Man creates his own dating app, bans all other men from joining. He's too dangerous to be left alive.
Sometimes my genius is... it's almost frightening.
Modified 300 plus projects files, added a few new ones, solved some bugs. My commits message was, some updates. Kill that guy. When you're good at computational thinking but not writing code. I know what I have to do but I don't know the syntax to do it. It's amazing to think what great and exciting things people will be doing with PCs in 30 years. AI camera mistakes referees bald head for ball, follows it through the match. Nobody. Linked lists. When your code doesn't compile but the project is due in an hour. Random bullshit go. Gamers when they experience lag. Programmers waiting for characters to appear on SSH as they type. Train, margin right -25. When you have to write code on a piece of paper for programming tests. Modern problems require ancient solutions. Rare picture of the cloud escaping from a data center. You know what's worse than accidentally typing your password to browser address bar? Google finds 78 hits. Stack Overflow coming back online. Programmers. Wanna be in relationship? Which one? 1-to-1, many-to-1, one-to-many, many-to-many. Every time I write documentation. Open box before eating pizza. I don't just love coding. I hate it. Commenting my code like. Whoa! You made it to the end. Here's some meme juice for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for your daily meme juice. Also, check out the description for more juicy meme videos. See ya!